Navigating the dating world as an older man can sometimes feel like decoding a complex puzzle, especially when it comes to understanding if she's really into you. Today, we're zeroing in on the telltale signs she likes you, specifically tailored for the more mature gentleman out there. So, if you've been wondering about the clues that can reveal her true feelings towards you, you're in just the right spot. By the end of our session, you'll be equipped to read these signs like an open book, enhancing your confidence in the dating scene. Make sure not to miss our bonus tip at the end of the video, which brings all these insights into full circle. It's a key piece of advice for effectively engaging with these signals, enriching your understanding and interaction. Now let's dive in. 1. Comments on maturity. When a younger woman talks about maturity, it's often a nod to the seasoned perspective older men bring to the table. It's not just about age, it's about the experiences, the lessons learned, and the calm demeanor that comes with having navigated life's ups and downs. You might hear her express how refreshing it is to have a conversation that goes beyond the latest trends or social media drama, delving into topics with substance and depth. This isn't about discounting the fun or energy younger guys might offer. It's about her appreciation for the stability and insight that comes with years. It's the difference between a fleeting moment of excitement and the comforting assurance of a steady hand. For her, your maturity isn't just a trait, it's a breath of fresh air in a world that often feels superficial. This appreciation for depth, for genuine connections that aren't defined by age but by the quality of interaction, is what sets apart the dynamic between a younger woman and an older man. It's a mix of shared wisdom and newfound perspectives, a unique blend that enriches both lives in ways that defy simple explanations. So, when she comments on your maturity, take it as more than a compliment. It's a recognition of the value you bring, not just in years, but in life lessons that enrich every conversation. 2. Personal disclosure. When a younger woman starts to open up, sharing her personal stories, interests, and even her vulnerabilities, it's a clear sign of trust and interest, especially towards an older man. This sharing goes beyond mere small talk. It's her way of letting you into her world, showing you the chapters of her life that many might not see. It's like she's handing you the keys to a more private inner space where her genuine self resides. This level of disclosure is her vote of confidence in your ability to understand, empathize, and offer the kind of support or wisdom she might not find in her usual circles. It's not just about the content of what's being shared, but the act itself. By opening up, she's subtly signaling that your opinion matters to her, that your insights are valued. It's a mutual exchange, really, where she's not only seeking connection but also offering it. And it's not always about seeking advice. Sometimes, it's just about the comfort of being heard by someone who's seen a bit more of life. This dynamic can add layers to the relationship, making conversations richer and more meaningful. It highlights the unique bond that can form between different generations, bridging gaps with shared human experiences. So, when she shares a bit of her life with you, see it as a step towards a deeper connection, an indication that she values the perspective and depth you bring to the table. 3. Proximity. In social settings, the way a younger woman navigates physical space around an older man can speak volumes. Choosing to maintain closeness, to be within arm's reach, isn't just about physical proximity. It's a nonverbal cue that signals preference and interest. It's as if, amidst the buzz and hum of social interactions, she finds a certain gravity around you, a pull that keeps her orbiting closer to your world. This closeness is more than just a matter of convenience or happenstance. It's a deliberate choice, a way of saying, "I'm here and I'm comfortable with you." It's in the way she might lean in during a conversation, the casual brush of an arm, or the decision to sit next to you when there are many other options. These actions, subtle as they may be, are her way of distinguishing you from the crowd, of marking her interest without saying a word. This physical nearness also opens up opportunities for more shared experiences within the event. It could be a shared laugh at a joke only the two of you catch, or a moment of shared awe during a performance. Each of these shared moments, facilitated by that closeness, lays another brick in the foundation of your budding connection. So, if you find her consistently choosing to stay close to you in social gatherings, take note. It's a gentle yet clear signal that she values your presence and is possibly looking to deepen that connection. This physical closeness speaks to a budding interest and an invitation to explore the potential of your connection further. I hope you're finding value in the video so far. If so, why not spread a little love? A simple like, dropping a comment, or hitting that subscribe button can make a big difference. It's more than just about growing the channel. It's about building a connection with you. Thank you for being an essential part of this journey. 4. Seeking your opinion. When a younger woman frequently seeks out an older man's opinions and advice, it's a significant gesture that speaks to the respect she has for his insights and perspectives. This dynamic isn't about her not having her own ideas or solutions. Rather, it's about valuing the depth of experience and the different viewpoint the older man brings to the table. It's a recognition that his life experiences might offer a unique take, or a wisdom-infused piece of advice that she finds enriching and helpful. This seeking out of opinions often happens in conversations about career moves, life decisions, or even everyday dilemmas where she's curious to know what he would do or think. It's in the way she might preface her questions with, "I'd love to know your thoughts on this," or "What would you do in my place?" These interactions are more than just information seeking. They're about creating a connection based on mutual respect and the sharing of knowledge. For the older man, this can be both flattering and a bit of a responsibility. It's an opportunity to share wisdom without overshadowing her own voice and to provide guidance while encouraging her independence and decision-making abilities. It's a delicate balance between offering insights and supporting her in finding her own path. If she comes to you, seeking your opinion, see it as a sign of the trust and respect she has for you. It's her way of saying she values your experiences and your ability to navigate life's complexities, and it's an invitation to contribute to her journey in a meaningful way. 5. Interest in your past. When a younger woman starts asking about your past relationships and significant life events, it's not just casual curiosity. This interest often signals her deeper desire to understand who you are at a core level, including the journey that's shaped you. These conversations can be enlightening, offering glimpses into the lessons you've learned, the challenges you've overcome, and the moments that have defined you. This inquiry into your past is her way of piecing together the narrative of your life, seeking to understand the experiences that have contributed to your values, beliefs, and perspectives. It's about more than just historical facts. It's about grasping the emotional and personal growth that has occurred over time. For her, this exploration is crucial in assessing compatibility and envisioning a potential future together. Engaging in these discussions, you might find yourself sharing stories of triumph and trial, of love found and lost, and all the wisdom that comes with these experiences. It's an opportunity for vulnerability, a chance to reveal the layers beneath the surface. And in doing so, you're not just recounting the past, you're offering insights into your character, resilience, and capacity for growth. This level of interest in your past, especially from a younger woman, shows her seriousness about understanding all facets of who you are. It's a sign of her respect for the life you've led and her eagerness to know how these experiences might influence a future shared with her. 6. Integrating into her social circle. When a younger woman starts bringing an older man into her social circle, it's a significant move. It's her way of saying, "You're important to me, and I want my friends to know you." This step is more than just an introduction. It's about seeking validation and approval from those she values. Her friends' opinions matter to her, and their acceptance of you can be a crucial factor in how she views the relationship's future. This integration into her social life represents a blend of worlds, where she's proud to have you by her side, showcasing the relationship as a significant part of her life. It's a statement of confidence in the bond you share, indicating that she sees the relationship as more than a fleeting connection. For her, it's about inclusivity, making sure you're not just a part of her private life, but her broader social world as well. These social introductions can serve as a litmus test for the relationship's dynamic, providing insight into how she interacts with her friends, and in turn, how they perceive you. It's a chance for her to gauge the compatibility of her two worlds, and for you to understand her social environment better. This step can strengthen the relationship, building a sense of community and belonging. If she makes an effort to include you in gatherings with friends, understand it as a positive indicator of her interest and pride in being with you. It's a clear sign that she values your presence and is eager for her friends to see the unique connection you both share. Bonus tip: overcoming age concerns. When a younger woman treats the age difference as a mere detail rather than a deal breaker, it speaks volumes about her interest in an older man. This approach shows she's looking beyond the numbers, focusing instead on the person's qualities, the maturity, and the life experience that comes with age. It's a clear indicator of genuine attraction when she admires these aspects, seeing them not as barriers but as attributes that enrich the relationship. This attitude towards age can be empowering for both. For the older man, it's affirming to be valued for his wisdom and the journey he's been on, rather than being boxed in by societal norms about age. For the younger woman, it demonstrates her confidence and depth, highlighting her ability to appreciate the qualities that truly matter in a partner. Dismissing age concerns doesn't mean ignoring them completely. Rather, it's about not letting them define the relationship. It's a mutual understanding that what they bring to each other's lives transcends age. This shared perspective can lay a strong foundation for the relationship, based on respect, admiration, and a deep connection that goes beyond superficial factors. So, if she downplays the age gap and instead celebrates the unique mix of experiences and perspectives you bring to the table, take it as a powerful sign of her genuine interest and attraction. It's her way of saying that she values the essence of who you are and what you represent, and that in her eyes, age really is just a number. Now that you know the signs she likes you, what's next for you? Discover the social skills that make her addicted to you, or learn how to tell if you're an attractive older guy. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.